I have Sana and Tino here with me to chat about all the action that we've seen so far at the Pakistan Junior League. Sana, last night's match, an interesting one indeed. Mardan Warriors, it's good to see them coming into their own and realizing what a balanced side they are.
Absolutely, I think they have been a very good bowling side. We have seen from the start of the tournament their seamers have been brilliant, but now they are gelling as a unit with the bat as well. We saw absolute great performances from their Haseeb Khan making a way. I think his 49 was really impressive, especially at the time Tino he came. The team was still. The target was still a steep one, but the way he batted, it was brilliant.
Yeah, he showed a lot of maturity, and I think that's important. We've noticed how many partnerships towards the end of the games and the innings have won matches for teams. So for him to come out and play the way he did yesterday under pressure, which they haven't really been, the Mardan Warriors, when it comes to batting, I thought was fantastic.
Right, let's take a look at the match summary from yesterday and recap how that went down. Right, the Hunters choosing to bat first, putting together 128, and Mardan Warriors in return comfortably chasing that down. Good all-round performance by them, of course impressing with the ball and bat and winning the match in the end by 4 wickets. That's the points table. Sana, the Gawada Sharks are looking comfortable and so are the Warriors right now. But at the bottom over there, the Giants and the Hunters are pretty much struggling.
Yeah, I think it's a very crucial game for Gujranwala Giants. They really need to win this to stay alive in the competition. They still have a mathematical chance to make it to the playoffs, but Gawada Sharks with 3 matches just under the belt, they are at the top. So they are the strongest team, the team to beat. And yes, this is the last chance for the Gujranwala Giants to make some kinds of points on the table so they can stay in the competition.
Yeah, and I think the biggest concern for them is the issue of the batting side. They had to chase 132 odd, and they ended up just 87 in their last match. So that'll be in the back of their mind, and that's something they've got to address very quickly if they want to get some points on the board.
And you know, they do have good batters. It's only about how they are using. I think with the think tank, with Shoaib Malik there, with Ijaz Ahmed there, Siobhan Daniel, he's too good to be batting at number 4. He should be either opening or being one down max in a T20 game.
Right, well, let's find out how the Giants fare tonight. Right now, Sikandar Bakht is ready with the 2 captains.
Well, welcome to the toss. Beautiful sunny afternoon here in Lahore. It's a nice breeze out here. We've got the match referee next to me, Mr. Ali Naqvi, and the 2 captains. It's Rawalpindi Raiders and Gujranwala Giants in this match, which is match 11. And we've got Habibullah who's got the coin. Uzair calls head.
And that's heads.
And it is heads. So, Gujranwala, क्या करेंगे?
बॉलिंग करेंगे
बॉलिंग करेंगे ऑब्वियसली अपॉर्चुनिटी आपकी टीम के पास अभी है आगे जाने की इस टूर्नामेंट में, लेकिन ये 2 मैचेस जीतने होंगे. किस स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ आप आ रहे हैं आज, क्योंकि आपको रन रेट भी बढ़ाना है?
जी स्ट्रेटजी सिंपल है कि हमने पहले तो विनिंग का सोचा हुआ है. रन रेट के बाद की बात है, तो इंशाल्लाह जीतने जाएंगे. पहले
किस किस्म का स्कोर चेजेबल होगा यहाँ पर?
आई थिंक 140 से नीचे रिस्ट्रिक्ट करेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह चीज़.
स्पिनर्स का काफ़ी रोल है, तो क्या तब्दीलियाँ की हैं टीम में कुछ, या वही साइड खेल रही जो पिछला मैच खेली?
जी बस एक चेंज किया है, फास्ट बॉलर की जगह बैट्समैन इनाज़ान अवैस.
ओके, गुड लक.
थैंक यू.
अभी वाकई आप भी बॉलिंग ही करना चाहते पहले?
नहीं, हम बैटिंग करना
चाहते थे. तो आपकी टीम की परफॉर्मेंस कंपैरेटिवली आपके मुकाबले में जो गुजरांवाला है उससे ज़रा बेहतर चल रही है, बैलेंस दिख रहा है. किस किस्म का स्कोर देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर पहले बैटिंग करते हुए?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल, जिस तरह पिछले मैच में स्टार्ट दिया था कोशिश करेंगे उसी तरह उससे बेहतर स्टार्ट दे सके. और आई थिंक 165 और 170 जो मेरे जहन में है, तो कोशिश करेंगे 170 हो.
एज अ कैप्टन आपकी टीम का कॉम्बिनेशन अब तैयार हो गया है प्लेऑफ्स में जाने के लिए, अभी भी आप कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने को रेडी हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, शुरू से ही तैयार थी टीम, तो चेंजेस तो थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता है, लेकिन टीम कॉम्बिनेशन वेरी ग्रेट है.
एनी चेंजेस?
जी बिल्कुल, वहाज रियाज की जगह अली इसहाक आए.
ओके, गुड लक.
थैंक यू.
So the news from the center, Gujranwala Giants have won the toss. They've decided to bowl first.
Now the Raiders side, they've been pretty decent throughout the competition. Hassan Esakhil, we've seen the quality that he possesses, and we'll be looking forward to seeing getting some runs from him at the top of the innings. Afnan Khan's been good with the ball later on. So all in all, it's a balanced side again today, and I'm looking forward to some exciting cricket from them.
Gujranwala Giants made 4 changes in the last game. In this game, they only make 1 change. Saklan has been rested and Azan Owais, who has been the regular opener, has not been able to perform, has been brought in. I think it's the right change because, like Tino, as you said, they are struggling with the bat. So for them to strengthen the batting lineup, that's the right call. Hopefully the batting order is good too and they can start off well with the ball.
Well, thanks, Sana. So Rawalpindi are batting first, and they do have a pretty good power play performance so far in the tournament. Let's go to Dom and see what a good power score would be on this pitch.
Match number 11 in the Pakistan Junior League, and what we see today is another double header on Friday. It is quite warm, it's about 31-32 degrees, but there's definitely a nice breeze coming in. And when you look at the flags on top of the media stand, you can see it's coming in from the west, so that just makes it a little bit more comfortable for the players. Right, we are once again quite in the middle of this wicket ends here, and it's 66 metres the boundary sizes. That's been quite normal throughout. Now the important thing, the pitch. This is the same pitch that was used last night, so this is pitch 5, Panch, and what we saw last night I think was a little bit of bounce in this. I think that was good for the seamers early on. It is a bit drier tonight, the sheen has probably gone, and the thing that I want to pick up on is what we've seen is quite even between seamers and spinners throughout this competition. 55, 56 wickets for each, but what is notably different is the economy rates. The seamers are up at 8 per over, the spinners are down at 6, so I think this will be exactly the same. Bowl anything like spin into the surface, what we see, if you bowl anything like that into the surface, it's hard to hit out of the ground, but ultimately, what I've been impressed with for the first 11 games, this is match 11, these wickets have been absolutely sensational.
Thanks, Dom, for that pitch report. Tino, what do you think would be a good total for the Raiders on this pitch today?
Yeah, the conditions have been really good, and I think if they want to have a decent score on board, they've got to be looking to get past 150. I think we've seen good chases throughout the competition, and they need to make sure they get at least 150. I think Dominic Cork was talking about the wind. We've got to get the studio on top of the building if we're going to be feeling that wind, because it's pretty warm out here at the moment.
Well, let's get to know a bit about Siobhan Daniels, the foreign player who's been making waves at the Pakistan Junior League.
My name is Siobhan Daniels. I'm from Sri Lanka. I'm 18 years old. Yeah, actually, I started playing cricket when I was in small, around like 3 to 4 years. Actually, it's my brother played for Sri Lanka '90 as well. So I think from that onwards, my father all are playing cricket. I think that's why I started playing cricket. Yeah, I think it's a great opportunity for us as the youngsters for this PJL means like a good opportunity to showcase our talent. I think it's a great opportunity, and I thank the Pakistan Cricket Board for giving this opportunity for us. I think I want to be like Banu Rajapaksa one day. I think we played like the same. Like my teammates says that I play like Banu Rajapaksa. I think I want to be like him one day.
Well, that was Siobhan Daniels, of course, adding a lot of value to the Pakistan Junior League, doing great with the bat. Sana and Tino, I'm going to take your predictions before we head over to the comms, because it's pretty sunny out here and they both have their sunnies on. I don't. Let's wrap this up.
Yeah, I think Rawalpindi Raiders look in a better form. Both their openers, Habibullah and Hassan Isa Khail, they were brilliant in the power play. So I think I'll go with them.
You, Tino.
Yeah, I'm going to be standing right next to Sana, and I'm going to go with the Raiders as well. I just feel that, the Giants have been battered. I haven't really seen a game plan about how they're going about their cricket, and I don't think that their performances are going to change well enough to get them a victory today.
Well, no support here for the underdog, so I'm going to go ahead and say Giants are going to win this. That's all from us here, and for now it's over to the commentary box.